Fight age-related muscle wasting. There's nothing worse than as we age, losing precious muscle and muscle tone. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian with Applied Fitness, where our mission is to help motivate, educate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. Then we'll talk about wasting of your muscle tissue and how as we age that process happens, and unfortunately it happens more towards females and males. Let me give you the clinical definition. It's called sarcopenia, and what that means, and all you need to know is that's muscle wasting, and that happens in our late 30s and really starts to happen and triggers beyond our 40s. So from your 40s beyond, it starts to accelerate, 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond. And what it is your body actually muscle wasting, actually breaking itself down. So what happens with that is obviously your energy levels decrease, your muscle tone decreases, your strength levels decrease, and worst of all, your metabolism decreases. So what we want to do is fight the muscle wasting. So how can we do that? So the best way to do that is through strength training. Now when I say strength training, I don't want you to think we're going to lift big heavy weights, because that's not the goal. What you want to find is weights that are more moderate weights that you can do 8 to 15 repetitions with perfect form. You don't want to go too heavy so that you can't do good form, and you don't go too light. If you're doing a repetition of weight 25, 30 times a little too light, and you're going to stop seeing the results that you want to achieve. So focus on the strength training. That's going to help with the muscle wasting. It's also going to help that sarcopenia. It's also going to help with osteopenia, which is bone breakdown. So now when you work out, not only do you strengthen your muscles, but obviously you strengthen your bones as well. So if you want to reverse osteoporosis or osteopenia, the precursor, strength training helps with that too. And again, find a repetition range, 8 to 15 repetitions. Now you want to keep in mind that consistency is the key. Something you just want to do once a week, that's not going to be optimal. You want to do every couple days strength training. And you don't have to go all out, just 2 to 3 sets. Each muscle group is all you need. If you do that, include that with a proper meal plan, so add some core exercises, some flexibility and mobility, you'll be unstoppable. I'm Brian with Applied Fitness. Have a great day.